Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 15. Dear students, today we learn about concept of light, lighter, lightest. You know, things can be light, lighter, and lightest depending on their weight in comparison to each other. The opposite of light is heavy. Look at this picture. You see a paper hand fan here, which is lightest. The wooden hand fan is lighter, but the electric pedestal fan is light in weight. It also means that the electric pedestal fan is heavier than the wooden hand fan. The wooden hand fan is lighter than the electric pedestal fan, but paper hand fan is the lightest because it is lighter than the wooden hand fan. Hence, paper hand fan is the lightest among wooden hand fan and electric pedestal fan. Let's have activity time. Write L for lightest thing. Write L in the circle by the feather because it is the lightest. The pencil is lighter while the book and ball are light. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the concept of light, lighter, and lightest so that they may compare objects with reference to their weight. Also, show them flashcards for the revision of light, lighter, lightest and ask them to recognize the lightest object. Help them to understand the concept of light, lighter, lightest through practical demonstration in the classroom. Ask the children to name all light, lighter, and lightest objects they see in their immediate surroundings. Appreciate the children who recognize well and understand the difference between light, lighter, and lightest. Thank you.